If you've got foundation problems, don't worry, you're not alone. But instead of losing sleep over sinking floors and wall cracks, let's talk about a tried and true solution, push piers. What are they? How do they work? And why should you have a soft spot in your heart for the sleek steel pipes? Buckle up because we're about to break it all down. First off, let's clear up the naming confusion. You may hear push piers being called push piles, pin piles, or just piles. But no matter the name, they serve the same purpose, stabilizing and lifting foundations affected by settlement. These bad boys are hydraulically driven steel pipes that anchor into deep, load-bearing soil. They're installed using a remedial bracket attached to your home's foundation, kind of like giving your home a sturdy metal leg so it won't sink any further. So, how does a push pier actually work? Let's break it down. It starts at the surface. A remedial bracket is secured to your home's foundation. A hydraulic ram drives the steel piers deep into the ground. Think of it like hammering a nail, but downward into the earth. The push pier is pushed until it reaches competent load-bearing soil. We keep adding sections, kind of like barrel of monkeys, but metal. Once stable, the home's weight is transferred onto the piers, lifting and stabilizing the foundation. In short, we use your home's weight as a reaction force to push the piers deep into the ground, anchoring your foundation for the long haul. How deep do push piers actually go? Well, let's just say they don't stop until they hit strong, load-bearing soil, but that could be anywhere from 10 feet to over 250 feet. For reference, in Southern California, the average depth is around 25 to 30 feet. But if your home is on a hillside, that number can be much deeper because of fill soils used during the grading process. And trust me, we've gone as deep as 250 feet before. It was painful, it was expensive, and I never want to do it again. But hey, we got the job done. Size matters, at least when it comes to push piers. Push piers come in 3 to 3.5 foot sections, which are stacked together to reach the necessary depth. But more importantly, they come in different diameters, which determine the load-bearing capacity. The three most common sizes are 2 7/8 inches for standard residential homes, 3.5 inches for heavier structures, and 4.5 inches for commercial buildings and extreme loads. Here at Dalinghaus Construction, our push piers have a maximum load-bearing capacity of 68,000 pounds. That's like stacking 20 pickup trucks on one pier. And for your safety, we always follow a 2-to-1 safety ratio. Now, let's talk about the big question. How much do push piers cost? Push pier pricing in Southern California and Arizona ranges from $1,000 to $3,000 per pier. Dalinghaus Construction offers push piers at an average of $1,750 per pier with a depth clause after 21 feet. Additional charges of $35 per foot apply beyond that 21 feet. Most foundation repair projects require 8 to 12 push piers, bringing the average total cost to $24,000. But remember, cost depends on factors like the number of piers needed, the depth required to reach load-bearing soil, engineering, permitting, and site conditions. Want a rough estimate? Take your home's linear feet of affected foundation and multiply it by $400. That gives you a starting ballpark. So to recap, push piers stabilize and lift your foundation. They come in different sizes for different loads, and their depth depends on the home's soil conditions. If you're dealing with foundation settlement, don't wait. Click the link below for a free foundation inspection. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and comment below with any questions you might have. For expert help, contact Dalinghaus Construction today. You can visit us online at dalinghausconstruction.com or give us a call at 877-360-9227 to schedule a free foundation evaluation. See you next time.